or a couple sprinkles, but that should be about it. Still dealing with some river flood warnings here across southeastern Virginia. There were some sections of southern southeastern Virginia that got 3 to 6 inches of rain during the day yesterday into last night. And we are going to be dealing with a bit of coastal flooding. There's a coastal flood advisory in effect into tomorrow morning for pretty much the entire coastline here. We're talking about water levels 1 to 2 feet above normal. Some areas down in Hampton Roads, maybe 3 feet above normal. This goes until Saturday morning, and then from Saturday morning into Monday morning, there's a coastal flood watch. This will likely get upgraded to an advisory. So essentially, with this wind flow, we're just going to continue to see the same thing happening all weekend. So there will be some coastal flooding to deal with. For the afternoon, a mix of clouds and sunshine, maybe a pop-up shower, a couple sprinkles into this evening, but those will be few and far between. And over the weekend, a mix of clouds and sunshine. The flow coming in, though, off the bay may cause a few light showers or sprinkles down by Norfolk and Virginia Beach. The rest of our area, though, we'll see a decent weekend, dry with partly to mostly sunny skies, and it's going to be very fall-like. In fact, the official start of fall, the autumnal equinox, astronomical fall, is 9:30 in the morning on Tuesday, coming up in just a few days. Take a look at the tropics, still very active. We have a tropical depression in the western Gulf, which may become our next named storm. Hurricane Teddy out here in the central Atlantic, and this new cluster of clouds here, it's been there a couple days, but is now Tropical Storm Wilfred. Wilfred's going to go to the northwest and kind of weaken, but Teddy is actually going to go just east of Bermuda at times as a Category 2, 3, and 4 hurricane. It will weaken, but it will impact Nova Scotia towards the middle of next week. Now, this system in the western Gulf may become a hurricane. It may not actually make a landfall directly over the next couple of days. It's going to hang out near the Texas coastline. That is not a good thing because they could see 10, 15, possibly more inches of rain over the next 5 days. You notice in the banner here I put Tropical Depression 22/Alpha. Why is that? Well, Wilfred was the last name on the Atlantic storm list. So once that gets exhausted like it has now and like it did back in the middle of the 2000s, we go to the Greek alphabet. So the next named storm is actually going to be Alpha. That's kind of weird. Hasn't happened for a long time. 77 for our high today, 20% chance of a shower the rest of the day. For the weekend, mix of clouds and sun, 67 tomorrow, 69 on Sunday. Notice these morning lows. Upper 40s in the metro. We'll have some low 40s north and west. And on Tuesday morning, 45 for the airport. Our coldest outlying areas will drop down to the 30s, but then look at that. We're back up into the low 80s by the time we hit Thursday.